only the past. The past and the future is in the present. That's the reason sometimes the people have a feel the word of a ghost, but no ghost. Only the past and the future is exactly in tune in the present. Like my detecting when I in this place. The past of the people in this place at the room. I remember it. Only the past, future, and present. The past and the future is exactly in tune in the present. That's a reason you can hear, you can feel, you can see at the surrounding. Oh, I forgot in the light. That's the reason do not following the story of the nonsense old man and woman, because only the past and the future is exactly in tune at the present of your present. That is only the normal, and the people do not acting have a ghost, because if you are in the present of the word of the lower body is completing upping the exactly physical body, your imagination is giving birth to your present, the word of devotion, and you create it depends to your imagination following the old man and woman. That's the reason I cannot believe in the word of ghost, and because the past and the future only I see, because the people do the ritual in teaching the oration only the alphabetical letter. My old friend, that is I completing. That's the reason I can speak clearly and I can teaching. I'm so very sorry to you. No effect to me. The poison. I adapting the poison and I giving birth. I am the poison. That's a technique of the old Pater Nostre. Because only the teaching, only the clue in the school must accepting the death life. The death life is not the reality of the death life. Because the death life, from the father going to the mother, and the mother going back to the father. Beings of the universe get into the land because only the teaching for the child in the future must good interpretation and must upgrading the meaning. Not the teaching about the giving the sicknesses. And he did not, and he did not, and she did not knowing all the people good and bad going to the death life. The important you are good people, good thinking. That is important to the people. Not the nonsense teaching to kill the people and to give the poison and to give the suffering buntut pagi tawa. When the original is upping, the original is adapting. This same the example. The different of the God is the demon. The different of the father is the mother. That is the only example of the interpretation The thinking is the present. The I equal is the past and the future. Now, the father, we are from the father, past. Going to the mother, future. Back to the father, back to the exactly space, present. That's the reason if you are the teacher, just call from the father, going to the mother. Come to me, my child. You are present. Question. From the father, going to the mother, come to me, my child. You are in the present of my present, at the front of me. We can talk the same languages. Because the word of the midwife